Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Craigslist account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the account icon at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Just use your email address and your password, and once you are logged in, if you wish to change your password, then click on the account icon at the top right once again. Now from this page, click on settings and now you will see the change password button alongside your password. Go ahead and click on this button and you will be asked to enter your old password first. Type in your old password and then enter your desired new password for your account. After typing in this new password, enter this new password once again for confirmation underneath the retype password box. After typing this new password twice, click on the change password button and your password will successfully be changed on your Craigslist account. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot old password button to reset your password and change it using your email authentication. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your Craigslist account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.